Can you solve all these physical education questions? Lower body mass index. Bravo! Physical is the answer. Helps keep the brain sharp. You chose mental emotional. Correct. This learn to accept failure. Right choice. Emotionally is best. The ability to resist disease. Great thinking. Organic vigor is right. What is agility an example of? You're right. Skill-related fitness is correct. A strategy to use time efficiently. Excellent choice. Time management is right. What is 5411 subject stands for? Correct response. Health promotion is accurate. This learn to mingle with one another. Correct. Sokali is spot on. Physical activity is basically a dash. Exactly. Biological necessity makes sense. The words physical is referred as dash. Good job. Body actions works well. Any action in which the body uses energy. Excellent. Physical activity is well reasoned. What holds key position for weight control? Solid response. Physical activity is valid. Which era saw a decline in physical activity? Right again. Middle ages is valid. Provides rehabilitation to physical injuries. Strong choice. Physical therapist is right. Dash is doing a hard task without getting tired. Nice work. Physical fitness fits perfectly. Any form of bodily movement that use up energy. Perfect. Physical activity is the one which is not benefits of recreational activities. Well picked. Mental disorder is correct. Anatomy refers to the physical dash of the body. You got it. Structures fits. The body's ability to meet daily physical demands. Great job. Fitness is accurate. Involving little physical activity is called dash. Smart pick. Sedentary lifestyle is correct. What has the growth of the sport industry created? Well reasoned. Job opportunities is correct. Which is the social reason affect physical activity? Well done. Family is right. What type of health hazard are viruses and bacteria? Nice selection. Biological is correct. Physical activity that a pregnant woman may engage in. Good thinking. Swimming is right. A way of life that involves little physical activity. Valid point. Sedentary lifestyle is true. Which of these is not a physical component of fitness? Smart move. Power is accurate answer. The amount of time it takes to make a physical response. Sharp thinking. Reaction time is right. Which of the following is a physical symptom of stress? Nicely done. Sweating is solid. Which of these is not a component of fitness? On track, agility is correct. What physical fitness component does yoga helps improve? Clear logic. Flexibility is sound. There are different approaches to health education. You chose 3. Correct. Your emotions and feelings are what dimension of health? Exactly. Emotional makes sense. Component of health that deals with the mind. Health. On track. Mental is correct. Your have has a lot to do with your physical health. Correct. Emotions is spot on. The ability of muscle to exert and produce maximum effort. You got it. Muscular strength fits. Any bodily movement produced by the contraction of muscles. You're right. Physical activity is correct. The ability to exert force over an extended period of time. Nicely done. Muscular endurance is solid. Is the amount of energy you spend through physical activity? Right again. Energy expenditure is valid. The ability to recover from problems or loss is called Smart move. Resilience is accurate answer. Which is not a component of health-related physical fitness. Great thinking. Balance is right. An example of a health-related physical fitness component is well picked. Muscular strength is correct. Which of the following is not a role of sports psychologists? Correct response. Skills is accurate. Which does not include the physical environment of classroom? Good thinking. Student motivation is right. Total physical response method was developed by in 1977. Great job. James Asher is accurate. The following are the main types of physical activity, except. Right choice. Flexibility activities is best. Which of the following is the best definition of mental health? Solid response. Holistic well-being is valid. Matching opponents by size, gender, or ability is an example of. Perfect. Sports policy is the one. These include the physical environment of classroom, except Good job. Student motivation works well. Making friends through sport improves what factor of well-being? Clear logic. Social health is sound. Wellness enables you to move ahead with optimism and energy. Well done. Spiritual is right. What component of physical fitness does standing long jump measure? Excellent. Power is well reasoned. A condition of the body that results from regular physical activity. Strong choice. Fitness is right. It is needed before performing the exercise or any physical activity. Valid point. Warm-up is true. Which outdoor recreational benefit allows families to become closer? Sir. Bravo. Social is the answer. Brain chemicals that improve mood released during physical activity. Excellent choice. Endorphins is right. Which of the following is a skill-related aspect of physical fitness? Sharp thinking. Agility is right. During this period, dancing is taught as an aid to military education. Smart pick. Rome is correct. Which acronym do we use to remember the physical components of fitness? Nice work. Best fam fits perfectly. What do we call physical activity done to keep the body fit and healthy? Well-reasoned. Exercise is correct. Which of the following physical fitness test measures muscular strength? Nice selection. Push-ups is correct.
What physical fitness component is being developed by 3-minute step test?
You chose cardiovascular endurance. Correct. In ancient Egypt, scientists found signs of physical activity on walls of. Great thinking. Caves is right. Which of following countries had physical training for military purposes? Nice selection. Egypt is correct. The process of recovering from an injury through treatment and education. Good job. Rehabilitation works well. Being disease-free and a healthy body works on which dimension of health? Valid point. Physical is true. It is the ability of the muscles to generate force against physical objects. Sharp thinking. Strength is right. The body's response to the intensity of physical activity can be measured by. Well picked. ROP is correct. Dash wellness implies vision and an ability to create opportunities to learn. Perfect. Mental is the one. Physical education teachers must possess relevant qualifications to teach dash. Smart move. Swimming is accurate answer. Which basic component of physical fitness is measured by completing leg lifts? Clear logic. Muscular endurance is sound. Activities that consist of sitting or lying down and using very little energy. Nice work. Sedentary behaviors fits perfectly. Which of the following physical fitness components is skills-related component? Strong choice. Power is right. Which outdoor recreational benefit helps people rest, relax, de-stress, unwind? Excellent choice. Psycho-emotional is right. Which of the following is not one of the components of daily energy expenditure? Great job. Energetics is accurate. Dash wellness is the component most people commonly associate with being healthy. Good thinking. Physical is right. Which of the following is not a tool to improve participation in physical activity? Nicely done. Facilities is solid. Which outdoor recreational benefit prevents a person from having a sedentary life? On track. Physical is correct. Which outdoor recreational benefit allows people to become more productive at work? Excellent. Economic is well-reasoned. Dash is planned physical activity done regularly to build or maintain one's fitness. Well-reasoned. Exercise is correct. Physical tasks involving large muscle movements such as crawling, walking, and jumping. Exactly. Gross motor skills make sense. What physical component is needed for a badminton player to quickly return the shuttle? You got it? Speed fits? Basic education sector reform agenda is composed of how many key reform thrusts? Right choice. 5 is best. Which of the following activities would result in the highest level of physical fitness? Correct response. Running is accurate. In total physical response, vocabulary and dash are emphasized over other language areas. Smart pick. Grammatical structures is correct.
This activity refers to or includes activities that spans from moderate physical activities.
Bravo, MIMP is the answer. Disturbed cognition and consciousness, and a decline of intellectual and physical functioning. Correct. Dementia is spot on. Assessing and removing potential hazards and risks to maintain a safe sporting environment is. Right again? Risk assessment is valid. When reviewing your education and experience to help assess strengths and weaknesses, look for. You're right. Patterns is correct. Athletes are often considered to be particularly effective promoting products related to their. Well done. Sport is right.
Physical activity that is structured, planned, and has the purpose of increasing physical fitness.
Solid response. Exercise is valid.
Restores, maintains, and promotes overall fitness and health, relieves pain, and improves mobility.
Strong choice. Physical therapist is right. Example of demonstration of this psychomotor objective is responding physically instinctively. Correct response. Reflex movement is accurate. Multidisciplinary, including the physiological, biomechanical, psychological, and pathological phenomena associated with exercise and sports. You're right. Sports medicine is correct. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Right choice. Contact Narayan Changdar is best.